Today, I'll be showing you guys how I made the fruit matching minigame from Fall Guys in under 10 minutes without writing a single line of code, all using IndieBuff's AI Unity tool. Let's go ahead and get started. First, I asked the AI for a set of instructions that I could follow along with so I'd have a better understanding on how I could even make the Fall Guys minigame. Next, I told the AI to create the death zone, the screen, and the tiles that I'd be jumping across. After generating for some time, I hit execute all, and all of those assets were created. Using the tile prefab it made along with the color screen that I'm dragging in as context, I asked it to randomize the colors and match it with the screen. Again, after generating the scripts, I hit insert all code and it creates these three scripts which form the core gameplay loop. When I tested it out, you could see that most of the game is in place besides the player movement. So I asked the AI to go ahead and create that for me. After generating again, I went ahead and hit insert all code, it created the script, and I was able to move, but it was a little too slow, so I had to adjust that later. I also noticed the tiles were a bit too small, so I asked the AI to make it a little bit bigger and also add a score UI. This worked, but the red tiles were blending in with the floor, so I just manually changed the floor color to black. I realized as well the UI was actually spawned, but it was too high, so I moved it into place. Next, I told the AI to make scripts so that my score would represent the time that the player survived on the tiles. I made sure to drag in the existing scripts and UI as context. I let the AI make that code, I hit insert all, and I went ahead and accepted the changes that it suggested. It seemed to be working great here, but the next step is I wanted it so when the player died, instead of freezing the time, it would say game over. I asked the AI to do this, but I quickly realized it was just a single line change, but thanks anyways, I guess. You can see most of the game is working here, but previously the jump was really floaty, so I had to get the AI to fix that. I dragged in the player movement script as context and told the AI to fix the jump. It then suggested two changes which I accepted, and after testing it out, it worked a lot better. So yeah, here's the working game. You can see it only took a couple of prompts to get the core gameplay down, then a little bit of finicking here and there to get exactly the behavior that I wanted. We're still in early access, so we'd love any and all feedback. If you want to try it today, join our Discord and let us know what you think. Thanks.